smiled again. They didn't see the storm that's sinking underneath. You laughed it off, you changed the theme, but in your chest you couldn't breathe. You answered fine, like a rehearsed lie, but truth was tangled in your spine. The weight you carry every day hid behind things you didn't say. You hold it in 'cause that's what strong ones do. But tell me now, is that still true? So how are you really? Not the smile you wear so neatly, not the joke you used to shield me. Tell me what your silence hides. Are you tired of pretending? Feel like something's slowly bending. You don't have to fake the healing. It's okay to cry sometimes. You're not alone tonight. Siku yako siya giza peke yako. You're allowed to feel inside. They praise your strength, they miss the cracks, the sleepless nights, the panic attacks. They get it done while breaking down. The days you smile but want to drown. You wish someone would see through glass and ask with care, not just to pass. The words you need are hard to choose, but quiet hearts can speak the truth. You don't have to wear that mask tonight. I see your pain behind your light. So how are you really? Not the version shared so briefly, not the I'm okay said meekly. Let it out, no need to hide. If it's heavy, I can hold it. Ndinokuda kana wanzwa kurema. You are human, not heroic. You're not weak for being tired. You're not alone tonight. Siwezi kukuacha rafiki yangu. I won't leave you, my friend. You're allowed to feel inside. You're not alone tonight. Siwezi kukuacha rafiki yangu. I won't leave you, my friend. Dear younger me who feared the fall, who thought you had to have it all, I wish you'd known it's brave to break, that love won't leave when you're not fake. You don't have to fix it all to be enough. You don't have to smile to earn love. So if you're hurting, just say so. You don't have to face it solo. The strongest ones are those who show the truth beneath their I don't know. So how you really? I'm here, you can tell me freely. You don't have to be so steely. It's okay to feel the fire. It's okay to feel the fear. I will sit with you right here. You're not alone. You're allowed to feel. From the heart of Africa, this is for you. Ndinokuda Nakupenda. I feel you. Tinofara-Dr TeeBee.